Menterang ba kajalau Konrad ke sangma hak sisa jan lalai benrungi haki ying brio ki bodon haki benta jong kasayong is kasil seban lap markmat ya kajintrai kam kaskim penpoi hayeng balatip kum kajal jivan mission harengkat kajindon lang menteri ketenat PHI ubak samlin malngyang ki officer katai ketenat menterang ba ula penlut ru ekapor ban yakren bat kipai ba markmat mentip kambha sapang kajintrai kam jong katai kaskim haki nong kendong
in the public line, na? So now after this you get the water supply at home only. Okay, good. So
We feel so blessed that we have water in our own house now.
Yes. So that's good. I think our objective is that only, and the government of India's objective and Meghalaya government's objective is to ensure that every house gets this tap water. So starting with this, we hope that in the next 2 years we'll be able to complete all the houses in the whole state. That's what it is. So maintain it properly, use it properly. Yeah, this is for you only. So.
Kipabun kipai ba kilapan pau ba kajing penpoi hayeng lang ba ka JJM kalapan suk hadu kata nagur kom bamensua ke baki hab ban leitong jengai ba na kitolong ni kipung kibapaji nasionong
Jonga kade iban resuk jerwan noksi nagas nong motwan te ngi penpau ka jing sungu sibon ya ka PHE department ling ba MLA badan buram jongi iba samlen malengyang bat kumju ro ibalong minister jong ka PHE ibalawan ra yakan kaskiem hakasnong bajongi ngisngau bakadai ka jingker khu ka bakraw bangila yo kum yakan ne ka skiem bangin yo ya ka halaka jong ka yeng namar hakipor ki balalit no ngisham ya ka jingker du haman la namar ni haban suye yeng lan ban sim ban te mentah ngisngau bakadai ka jingker khu ka bakraw ngila yo halaki jong ka yeng tingin kalong ru si benta bakum nungin la ban pendon kam thik ya ka namar ngila yo dak kor kum ne habadan kam ngila pli habam don kam ngila sange te men te kalong kum ta ken lada ka haja ka bangin pendon kam bangin yo ban le khoj ban ngi haban anta te ka namar ngi jenjar ban sim te mentapat kala long ka jingker khu ko bakraw ngila yo mekanik ya ka haman lagi tiu ya nga ay kublay ru kamtami chief minister ibadan lang hakani kajaka day ling bajong ibala pelat ya kani ka skim mo ling ba MLA jongi bangila yo ya kani ka skim tengi kermen ru ba kisnam ki banwan banginang
halor kani nakaliang menterang ba ulapan pau ka jingkemen ka bakraw halor ka jingtrai kam jong katai ka skim bat penpau ka jingkemen ba katai ka sinjam ba kisim menta klam artatien hakapor ko biang kin la penpoi blut sabaro kilongieng hakin nong kendong haswa jong luber arajar arpuar hadien kani menterang ba ulalai ru banjurep ya ka jakatrai kam jong ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme ka ba hamo plang bat penut por ru banekren bat ki officer na katai katanan.
So we are here today in Soyong constituency. We are visiting some of the villages out here where the Jal Jeevan program and mission is being implemented. As you're all aware that the government of India has targeted to complete the Jal Jeevan mission and provide tap water to all the rural households by 2022. So we have a target of almost close to 2 lakh houses in this financial year. And I'm very happy to see that the PHE department under the able leadership of Sri Samdin Malanyang, who is also the local MLA from here, the PHE minister, and the entire team of the chief engineer and all the other officials of the PHE are doing a tremendous job. And even in such difficult circumstances and difficult targets, they have been able to achieve the targets and moving very, very aggressively forward, and I'm very confident that the team will be able to implement and reach the target that we have set for them. This project is something that has been conceived by the Honorable Prime Minister, and under his able leadership and under the leadership of Mr. Gajendra Shekhawat, who is the Jal Jeevan Minister, Jal Shakti Minister, we are getting tremendous support, and I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Minister Jal Shakti, Mr. Gajendra Shekhawat ji.